Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 3. How are you? I hope you will be fine and enjoying at your home. Open your OPE book, page number 22. Here we are with Unit 4, Lesson 4. As you know, we are studying Unit 4, Animal News. So let's complete the exercise. In this exercise, we have to choose correct answer and we are going to practice degrees of adjective. You must know about these words: tallest, biggest, bigger, shortest, shorter. These are the degrees of adjective. First, we read the sentences and choose the correct answer. Number 1 is the tallest elephant is about 4 meters tall. Now, let's focus the word tall. Tall is an adjective and tallest is superlative degree of tall. Dear students, here is the degrees of adjective. Positive is big, comparative is bigger, and superlative is biggest. Dear students, when we tell about something's high quality, we use superlative degree. And when we use or compare two things, we use comparative degree. And when we use about simple adjective, we use about or tell about someone's quality, we just use simple positive degree. Just say big, small, tall. So let's read it first. Big, bigger, biggest. Small, smaller, smallest. Tall, taller, tallest. Happy, happier, happiest. Large, larger, largest. Sad, sadder, saddest. Wise, wiser, wisest. Short, shorter, shortest. Old, older, oldest. Sweet, sweeter, sweetest. Do you know that? Biggest, smallest, and tallest are the superlative degrees of tall, small, big. Now come to the exercise. Number 2 is the longest type of snake is about. Correct the answer. Choose the answer. 10 meters long. Encircle the A. And number 3, the shortest type of snake is about 12 meters long. 12 centimeters long. Centimeter is, so dear students, centimeter is shorter and meter is long. Meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Okay? जो मीटर होता है वो बड़ा होता है और सेंटीमीटर्स जो होते हैं वो छोटे होते हैं. 1 मीटर में 100 सेंटीमीटर्स होते हैं. जो आप सोचें कि ये जो 10 मीटर का स्नैक है वो कितना बड़ा होगा, बहुत ही बड़ा होगा. एंड नंबर 4 इज़ the biggest crocodile is about 6 meters long. Encircle the A. Dear students, here is 10 meters are more than 6 meters. That means the snake is larger than crocodile. So dear students, when we compare snake and crocodile, we will say that snake is larger than crocodile. Here we will use the degree larger, okay? But when we only talk about the crocodile and telling the qualities of crocodile, we will say that the biggest crocodile is about 6 meters long. Okay? I hope you understood the degrees and completed the exercise very well. Let's move forward to the exercise number 2. Join the phrases to make sentences. Here we will join these sentences together, and in this exercise we will know about what is high, what is deep, what is tall, and what is wide. So number 1 is my father is 6 feet tall. Match these two sentences. Dear students, when we talk about someone's length or something's length, we will say that it is tall, okay? Number 2 is our garden is 22 feet wide. Now what is wide? Dear students, I have drawn the line between two edges of this book. Now look at this. This area is the width. The measurement of this area is 13 inch. We will say that this book is 13 inch wide. This is the width. We will say that this book is 13 inch wide. And number 3 is the minaret is the 100 feet high. When we measure something down to the up, we will say it's high. And number 4, the pool is 6.5 feet deep. Match number 4 with this. Pool is the storage of water. When we measure storage of water, we say it's deep. We will measure the depth. When we measure the depth, we will say that it's deep. Dear students, suppose this bowl is a pool. When we measure how deep it is, we will say that 5 inches deep because it's a bowl, it's little. But suppose it's a pool, we will say that it's 2 feet deep, it's 1 meter in deep. This area is called the depth. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, जो पानी के अंदर का जो हिस्सा होता है उसको हम गहराई कहते हैं. गहराई मतलब डेप्थ. और ये कितना गहरा है हम इसको डीप कहेंगे कि ये पानी अंदर से 10 फीट गहरा है. ओके, ये तो एक बाउल है, ये तो छोटा सा बाउल है, ये 4 इंच का है, तो हम कहेंगे कि इट्स 4 इंच डीप. Dear students, come to the exercise number 3. Put the words in order to make sentences or questions. Now we have to make these words in correct order. Where we see question mark, it will be a question. And when there is no question, you can see these words are not in correct order. जहाँ आपको क्वेश्चन मार्क दिखाई दे वहाँ क्वेश्चन बनेगा, जहाँ पे क्वेश्चन मार्क नहीं है वहाँ क्वेश्चन नहीं बनेगा, सिंपल सेंटेंसेस बनेगा. तो ये सेंटेंसेस ऐसे होगा, how the tall is the tallest elephant. ओके, इस तरह से आपको ये सब सेंटेंसेस पूरे करने हैं, इनको करेक्ट ऑर्डर में लाना है. नाउ इट इज़ योर होमवर्क. डू योर होमवर्क वेरी केयरफुली. टिल देन, अल्लाह हाफिज़, टेक केयर.